Welcome, here I've got LG G8X ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here at the center, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the left corner. Now by tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings, and now let's focus on this button here at the bottom from the right. By tapping on this we can change the photo size, so the resolution, and we can pick the ratio connected with the quality and with the size. As you can see we have 4 and 3 ratio connected with 12 megapixels or 6 and 1 megapixels, which was now. We have also the ratio 16 and 9 with 9 and 2 megapixels or 4 and 6 megapixels. So let me pick this to show you how it changes. And as you can see here in the camera preview, the background has changed, so this is a little bit longer one ratio and the quality. The next one here is the full vision, so this is the full screen resolution. We can pick it with 7 and 5 megapixels or 3 and 7 megapixels, and as you can see this is how it looks like. Also we have this one extra button here at the left. By tapping on this we get quick access to the full vision, as you can see. And also here we have ratio connected with 9 and 7 megapixels or 3 and 4, so the 1 and 1, so this is the square one. As you can see this is how it looks like, and of course we can easily go back to 4 and 3 with 12 megapixels, so this is the best possible quality of this camera, and of course I suggest you to use this. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.